Picture this, in 2 weeks from now you could be proficient enough to start creating your very own 3D models in Blender like this one. Now I've done it all wrong and wasted a ton of time. It took me months of studying YouTube videos and puzzling the pieces together to master hard surface modeling in Blender, but it's not gonna be this way for you. Our brand Blender Bros has just released the Hard Surface Modeling Accelerator course, which was designed to help you achieve proficiency in 3D. After all the feedback we've received from over 200,000 students we taught, we put together a well-structured and easy-to-follow curriculum that will get you from a complete newbie to a confident hard surface designer in just 2 weeks. The course is short and sweet and easy to follow. In the first part, we'll teach you how to download and install free Blender software. You will also learn how to easily navigate Blender's UI, even if you haven't used it before. Then we will go through modeling techniques such as Boolean workflow, which is the easiest way to get into hard surface modeling. We'll even cover all the tricky stuff like topology and shading, which is usually what causes the most frustrations and headaches with students. Fortunately, with our curriculum, we break it down piece by piece so you can understand all this stuff right away. But that's only half of it. In the second part, we'll guide you step by step through the creation of your first awesome hard surface model in Blender. And the best part is, it's a Mac. You will learn composition, lighting and rendering, and even basics of post-processing so you can drop your first 3D design onto your portfolio. And we're not done yet. We will also teach you the basics of visual design so then you know exactly how to approach the modeling of your own projects without getting frustrated. This will give you absolute confidence and freedom of creation. And to wrap it up, we're throwing in our massive 3,000 plus members Discord community channel that will help you anytime you get stuck or lost. With all that, you simply cannot fail. And here comes the best bit. Blender is completely free. Click the button below and join one of the fastest growing 3D communities right now, and we'll see you inside.